My G, listen up. Von 247 liters, black in color, is now back in stock like never before and still going on offer for only 48,000 Kenyan shillings. You get yourself this sleek, compact design fridge inakaa hivi. It comes with a 5 years warranty for the compressor. It has a 2-star energy rating, which means what? It does not consume a lot of power. And also it has an energy consumption of 359 kilowatts per hour per year, which means this fridge is very economical and very pocket friendly. This is the freezer compartment with a total no frost cooling technology. This fridge eliminates the need for manual defrosting. Iko na very wide compartment, as you can see. Iko na hizi storage boxes kwa mlango where you can store your spices ama vitu nataka zikuwe baridi, you can store them there. On to the fridge side, inakaa hivi guys. It has this crisper here na pia iko na vegetable fruits box pale chini where you can store your groceries, your fresh vegetables or even your fruits. Iko na 3 tempered glass shelves easy, which are adjustable. You can place them either down there or even on three things here. Unaweza zi adjust vile unataka. Alafu iko na hizi vitu kwa mlango. Na inakuja na hizi storage boxes hapa, unaweza tumia kupanga yogurt, juices or even your spices to keep them cold and fresh as ever. Fridge yetu ndio hiyo inakaa hivi guys. Alafu imagine this fridge inakuja na kina cool pack na hizo vitu zote. Nilisema ni 48,000 Kenyan shillings only. No, ukinunua na kupea this free fridge guard. You can shop this fridge on our website to go by www.atenzahomeappliances.co.ke, ama you can visit our physical store to located hapa the former Nakumatt Lifestyle, ama sahi inaitwa Naivas Lifestyle, Mezzanine 1, shop number 2.